What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to do the color grading to create the horror atmosphere. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that we will use here is the CapCut, and don't forget to do the login first with your email or install it within your PC, tab, or even the smartphone. And after that, you can start to click the new project over here, and I will choose the library. And for example, I will choose the video over here. For example, this one, I will choose this picture. You can choose which one do you prefer, whether the video or the picture that has been provided over here. And after that, you can continue to click add, and after that it will direct you into this section. And the next step will be choosing the filters. Down here I will choose the filter, and I will choose the filter name Oppenheimer. And if you don't find it, don't worry, because you can find it into this movie category, and choose this one, and you can apply to it. And after that, you can also do the adjustment. Click this one, and you will find a lot of tools right here, such as the brightness, contrast, and a lot of tools. The first step will be the brightness. Over here I will reduce it to become -9. And the next thing will be the contrast. I will reduce it to become -8. And the next step will be the saturation. I will add it to become 4. And the next thing will be the brilliance. I will choose it or change the scale to become -20, like this. And after that, I will also adjust the HSL. In the yellow one, I will choose to reduce it to become -24. And also for the green one, I will reduce the hue to become -100, and also the saturation here to become -15. Well, you can also play with this color and also adjust the hue and saturation, play color with it, and you will see the pattern or the look, which thing that can represent the horror atmosphere. I just check it out about this blue, this bright and dark blue. And I will move on into the next thing, will be the graph. And I will change this graphic and keep this white into to be selected. Okay, if I move it up, it will brighten. However, if I would like to change it down, it will be slightly darker. I think this is better. And after that, I will apply to it. And the next thing will be the hue. You can slide it. And I will turn down the scale to become -22. And after that, the thickness here to become 9. So this will be the look, guys, from the bright picture to become this horror atmosphere. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try these tips and trick. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.